What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube. If you've saved a video on YouTube and want to find it later, there are a couple of ways to do it. First, if you're currently watching a video and want to save it, tap on the Save button, which appears when you scroll through the video options. By default, YouTube will save it to the Watch Later playlist, unless you choose a different playlist. To find your saved videos, close the video and go to the bottom right corner of the YouTube app. Depending on the updated UI, this may either say You or Library. Tap on it. Once here, scroll down to the playlist section, and you will see a playlist called Watch Later. This is where all saved videos go by default. If you assigned the video to a different playlist, tap View All in the top right corner of the playlist section. Here, you can scroll through and find the playlist where you saved the video. Tap on the playlist and you should see your saved video here. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.